Infrastructure plays good role to reach our educational goal. Government can provide facilities for some extent. Society has to contribute something to develop our schools. So to reach that one, I maintained as a responsible teacher, I maintained good relation with parents and society. As a responsible teacher, I supported to conduct parents meeting thoroughly and mingle with society. In when I was working as teacher at MPP school, Timrajpeta from 1995 to 2002, I actively participated to attain 20 benches, tube lights, fans, and electrified the school and provided toilets for girls by mobilizing the Gramabhyudaya Samstha, Timrajpeta. I mobilized the SMC chairman and he provided TV and radio to conduct audio-visual teaching. I also mobilized the Panchayati to provide water facility to the students. NRI Sri K. Rambhadrao provided and constructed one classroom by donating in 2002. When I was working as headmaster MPUP school Kottakoduru during 2002 to 2009, I maintained a good relation with colleagues, parents and society. Parents donated 10 benches, Mahatma Gandhi statue, electrified the rooms, donated TV and dish to conduct audiovisual classes, and one donor donated 150 plates for MDM, and SMC chairman donated 130 uniforms to the students, and another donor donated 2 cents to construct building sanctioned by Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan in 2005. And infrastructure means not only the physical development of the school, but also very important point is the student health. The student health is very important to get our educational values. In 2005, I observed some of the students are suffering from ill health due to deficiency of vitamins. So to overcome this problem, I interacted with colleagues and parents, and I plan to implement the program nutrition food like distribution of sprouts, fruits, carrot, dates, one item for each student every day throughout the academic year 2005 and 6. This program has given good result and students got good health. The average attendance of the child, food habits of the child, learning abilities of the child increased. And when I was working as a school assistant at ZPH school, Munopaka, during 2009 to 2017, I mobilized the society to provide the infrastructure like 70 benches by RECS Kasinkota, toilets for girls by Lions Club Anakapalli, fans, tube lights provided by SBI Munopaka, water plant provided by retired teacher, and 6 computers and inverter was provided by Steel Plant Visakhapatnam in 2016, and bread organization provided library in 2015. And also, I identified another problem. Many students are very passive in the classroom. So, to overcome this problem, I personally provided LCD projector to conduct digital classes in 2009 onwards. And when I was working as a school assistant in Vedrupetti during 2017 to till date, as a Rotarian, I mobilized the Rotary Club Ankabilli and provided LCD projector and RO plant to the school. And National Awardee Srimati Annamma Garu provided 30 benches and also distributing notebooks and needy things to the students in every year. And also I provided liquids and soaps to the students to clean their hands and plates throughout the year since 2017. As a responsible teacher, I mobilized the colleagues, retired teachers, parents, and some other donors and established an organization Spandinche Urdun Charitable Trust, and nearly we are contributing 5 to 10% of our salaries to the organization and conducting nutrition food to the school students, nearly for 2000 students every year since 2007, and conducting NMMS free coaching centers, conducting motivation classes for the students, conducting mobile digital classes to the students to achieve our educational goal.